Missed today's 3-hour analysis on the live stream? Don't worry, I have you. This is your essential 5 minutes to understand everything about Bitcoin for this week, for next week, for next month. We're analyzing the critical traps, the targets, the stop losses, everything. Remember, always do your own research, okay? This is not financial advice. Okay, so we start with the Bitcoin chart on the weekly, okay? First, we pull up the chart on Bitcoin, okay? Make sure to trade everything on LBank. They are the most trusted broker right now, the best crypto broker. Okay, so what do we see? So right now, if you have eyes, or don't worry, if you're a noob, just you can see that we are going down. We are going down pretty heavy. We can see with candles or with just a normal line. We can see it's going down, right? Okay, so after this, we can see that we have last all-time high at 126, okay? Okay. This is the last all-time high, and it was a sweep of the previous all-time high, and if you see, we even have another sweep of the all-time high, okay? A liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep means that we taken stop losses so the market can move again and can continue a specific direction, right? So what we did is basically we took liquidity from these stop losses, the ones that wanted to short basically won, and the ones that wanted to long, they got liquidated then later. Yep, so first of all, let's paint our path, because as we see, we have a clear downtrend, right? We have first the liquidity sweep, as I said. We have a little consolidation of 1-2 weeks, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks of a bearish market, of a downtrend, basically not a bearish market, but a downtrend. Okay, so that's a month of losses, basically. Then we have a little consolidation here. It was also the holiday season, so market is always like asleep, right? And then on January of this year, it continued its trend. Okay, so it basically consolidated. We have a little sweep right here. It filled this fair value gap and went down again, right? We have 1, 2, 3 weeks of bearish market, and then it consolidated a little bit, right? So everything points that will consolidate a little bit and go down. Okay, so oops, perfect. So what do I see here right now? As we said, we have a fair value gap right up there, right? The price went to sweep this high. It took the liquidity basically from the shorts that were placed. It pumped the price, took all the stop losses from the shorts, and then it also fed the fair value gap. Remember, this is an imbalance on the market, and then it dropped straight down again. Okay, so what I can see, what I can suggest, we also are going to go into this fair value gap, right? So it also depends also on the war a little bit, because right now we have a lot of uncertainty and we don't really know what could really happen, because market has been very volatile these days. So, and we have also, not to mention, we have also the news, we have the yearly CPI Friday tomorrow. Okay, so let me see if I can screenshot this. Well, never mind. Okay, let me see. Let me paste it here. Here. So we have on Friday, as we see, we have the yearly CPI. It's gonna affect our Bitcoin and trade. So always make sure to have your stop loss, your take profit, maybe take partials, everything. Okay. So what I think that could happen I think that we'll break this consolidation right here. It's very nasty right now. And we have these highs. This is liquidity, basically free liquidity to be taken for the market. Mr. Market Maker will try always to get the liquidity for continue its next move. Okay, so what we can possibly see is that market goes to the upside, fills this fair value gap, and then drop aggressively again like here. So if we see a big rejection like this one, we can see that market is going to keep dropping until 40,000 basically, right? So moving on to the daily time frame, if we have some, so on the daily time frame we are on a consolidation, but on the daily time frame on the short period we are right now on a uptrend, right? So as you can see on this, we have a little uptrend right here. It has been like, it went down, swept this low, liquidity sweep, then it made a market structure shift, right? On here. This is a low, a minor market structure shift, okay? To be a proper market structure shift, it would be this high, okay? But it didn't close yet, okay? It's a little bit struggling today. But yeah, so we have that. Basically everything points will still go up because, as you know, fair value gaps are like magic in crypto. They provide a very good analysis for us technical traders. They they are basically the new era of resistance and support. So retails trade based on resistance and support, and we trade basically on the liquidity, on the imbalances. So we look at very technical things, okay? So this is our daily. We'll probably continue going up. Easy peasy. Maybe we'll stay a little bit there. So if we drop down to the 1 hour, 4 hour is the same basically. We haven't seen anything interesting today. It tapped into the fair value gap. It hasn't filled yet completely. So we could go down a little bit, fill this fair value gap. I should have, but we already tapped it. So if the market still wants to go up, it could, right? Either it's like this and it goes up, or it's like this, which I don't think really would really happen. It would need to drop right now very hard today and tomorrow before the weekends, okay? So what do we do? Right now, on the 4 hour, we basically see a bullish trend, yeah. So here we have our proper market structure shift for the 4 hour, right? It's a beautiful market structure shift because we saw the liquidity. After that, we did the market structure shift, and we form a beautiful fair value gap which we have filled. So in this scenario, we have taken a lot after it tapped the fair value gap and make a 2 to 3 basically, or you can target the liquidity. I would have targeted this 1 to 2, or if you wanna go big and move stop losses, you can do this. So yeah. After that, we have the 1 hour right now. We're consolidated a little bit. Don't worry, guys. We have like this square right here, which we don't see. It's like spiking a little bit, right? It's like boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. And it really needs to break with breaking above these highs and closing, or breaking above below these lows and closing, right? Then we continue going up. There's a juicy fair value gap right here. Sorry I say fair value gap all the time, but I'm kind of obsessed, but I swear it works. It works. From all my years, I might be young, but I understand, right? Okay, so then 15 minutes, same as 1 hour. So right now we're rejecting a little bit. We have a little bit of opposition here, like price went down, right? It swept this low, went up, made this market structure shift, and price right now is trying to fill that fair value gap, and maybe into this order block. Maybe we'll drop until this order block and keep going to the upside. So this is just an idea. If you want to get on the trend, just basically get on here. Get on the train basically. So that's it. Also 5 minute. 5 minute same thing. Market structure shift. Here we have a sweep. We have a sweep of a sweep. Also, we have this fake out basically. This is called on the order block system. This is an inducement, right? This is liquidity. This is liquidity right here. So this is an inducement. It went up. We have the targets right here. It made the order block, right? Then it went up. Then it consolidated a little bit. It made our inducement, which are these lows, right? 1, 2, 3. You can maybe count this and this. But yeah, went up, tapped into the order block perfectly, then rejected very good, and shoot it straight up. This would have been a beautiful trade for the order block traders. I know someone that took this trade. So yeah, and the 1 minute right now is too volatile. It's doing like a cup, you know. It's doing like an umbrella. Sorry, not a cup. That would be like this. Oops. But yeah, whatever. We can really analyze here because it's like shoot up, go down, shoot up, go down, shoot up, go down, and maybe shoot up. If we follow that logic, okay? So this is everything. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to join my Telegram. I will drop it down below in the description. It's Crypto Wonder TG. Okay, so bye bye, guys. Thank you very much.